My name is Anusha Dare. School of Productivity has been very eye-opening for me. Someone like me who has all the ideas but none of the drive to put things through. But coming here now, I've learned that I don't have to just wait till I'm ready or I feel I'm ready. Just start. And then you learn things as you go along and then you keep going.
Attending School of Productivity has really done a lot in my life. I had ideas, I couldn't speak out. But when I came here, I knew speaking out wasn't a problem. It's just for me stepping out and bringing out the ideas and working on it. And that has taken me to a different level. Right now, I'm working on a conference I want to do in my school, because at first I thought this wasn't for students, but most definitely I think we need to get it from the grassroots. Recommended to students in JSS 3, first of all, to start with the PPP test, because it goes a long way. It will definitely give them the direction they need in life. Because with that test, I don't think we would have problems like students failing examinations. You know your mentors, you know where you need to be, what you need to do. So I think they need to start from the grassroots. I recommend it that they start from the grassroots as a secondary school.
Coming to School of Productivity is an experience that for life I will not forget. But the truth is an experience that remains impeccable in terms of its practicability and its approach towards making life a better one. Believing that you are productive, whereby an organization or establishment can vouch for you for what you can make as an impact in their life, either in terms of expanding their customers or at the same time making it worthwhile as reducing costs for the organization or the establishment. And all these are part of what School of Productivity offers an individual who may have come with a low self-esteem, thereby living with a self-esteem that is improved with products as a person being discovered through the process of attending the School of Productivity. I recommend School of Productivity for every individual who may think life, the ups and downs of life, is not worth. But when it comes to School of Productivity, it becomes an experience which you are being trained and thereby channeling your life towards a self-belief that life can still be better than what it used to be for you. Therefore, take an opportunity to enroll for the School of Productivity for a better you.